Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, the crisis of IndiGo flights is easing based on the news reports that I'm seeing now, and I do understand that many have gone through like nightmares, horrible situations, and I wish this happens to no one. But again, with everything we get some lessons. So guys, in some of the videos that I had seen in this topic, I had seen passengers begging for their luggage, asking for their luggage, and trying everything in their capacity, because according to those passengers, some very important, or in other terms, irreplaceable documents like passport, house key, these were in those suitcases. So guys, this is a lesson. Your important documents, something that cannot be replaced, never pack them in your check-in luggage. Instead, always carry them with you in your cabin luggage. Your document like passport, any other document, then the key of your house, your onward flight ticket, don't put them in your bag, because many times, even ordinary days, not even during peak season, what happens that luggage issues happen because of human errors, and there could be thousands of errors. Okay, so don't get impacted because of this, because if you have packed like your clothes, food, your footwear, these things can be replaced, right? If your 2 or 3 pairs of clothes are lost, you are not gonna die for those, right? You are not gonna suffer in a way that it cannot be replaced. If your toiletries are lost, that's fine, you can buy from any available shop. If some food items are lost, that's fine. So pack those items um, in your check-in luggage. In your cabin luggage, carry the items that you need, specifically life-saving items like your medicines. Don't put them in check-in luggage. Have some, if you're going for a long trip also, okay, and you're carrying too much of medicine, so at least for next few days or a week something, carry in your cabin baggage, so that in case your luggage does not reach on time, or in the worst of the worst case, if it gets lost, still you have some time to get another shipment of those. You are getting my point? That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the document. Thank you.